What up YouTube, this is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another drink review taste test video. Pepsi has recently changed the recipe for their Pepsi Zero Sugar. So I grabbed a bottle and I wanted to review it for you. Now this is supposed to be the key difference, and I read up on it. It's supposed to closely mirror the taste of a signature cola with sugar. Compared to the previous version of its Pepsi Zero Sugar, it made the caffeine level the same as regular Pepsi and removed the ginseng, which is now the sugar version of the beverage. And it's supposed to be more like refreshing and just closer to what the regular version tastes like, which I always thought the Pepsi Zero Sugar, actually the original one, the old one, actually tasted close to the original anyway, so it'll be interesting to see how close this is. And I'm actually going to do a comparison video of the new flavor versus the old one, which I was actually able to find a 2-liter, the last one in the store of the old flavor. The old recipe, that disappeared pretty quick. They had some smaller cans and stuff, but I couldn't find any little bottles of it or anything. But I didn't go all over and look, just a few places. Smells good. Smells like Pepsi. Doesn't really smell diety at all, which is really impressive. There, I don't drink my pop warm. Same color and everything. Well, consider it's warm. I have to say, that does taste more cola-like. I know someone was saying that the new recipe has more of the cola taste, and that it tastes more like the original. And I have to say, it does. There's still a bit of a diet flavor to it, but it does taste pretty close to the original. Fairly sweet. I'm going to have to do a comparison video between this and the original one time. But yeah, I do like it. I'm also, like I said, I'm going to do a video where I compare the old flavor with the new flavor. Then I'm going to do a video just on the old flavor too. So I'm going to have a variety of stuff on this. I like it. I've always liked Pepsi. It's always been, for most of my life, my favorite pop. You know, Mountain Dew's kind of eclipsed it a bit. But I have many fond memories of drinking this. Of course, I prefer Diet Pepsi now more than anything. I used to prefer like the regular, then I kind of preferred the Zero Sugar. Then they had a Pepsi, was it Max, I think it was. Pepsi Max, which actually is the same as Pepsi Zero Sugar. They just took the Max part off. And then, oh, there was another one, Pepsi Edge, I think it was called, which was like half of the calories of regular. I used to love that before they got rid of it. So yeah, now I just prefer Diet Pepsi. This is good. It tastes very close to the original, but still has a bit of a diet flavor to it, but I like it. Alright, like I said, I'm going to review the original flavor of Pepsi Zero Sugar, and then I'm going to do a video where I compare the two. Any kind of questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye everybody, bye. Alrighty, on to the next one.